Okay guys, here we are. It's Friday. I think it's just before 11 o'clock and we've obviously had a little bit of rain yesterday. Track's been rotivated, which is quite nice. You can see it looks quite cool. So we're busy for Saturday. Tomorrow it should be all done and dusted and a good day ahead of us. So let's take a lap around, show you what we're up to, and I'll show you what plans we have. This little jump here is a little bit too steep at the moment, so when the machine comes we'll flatten it just to give you a nice pop rather than a sharp kick up. So come around here. This morning was all big rain ruts everywhere, so we'll come and rake this just now. But yeah, it's nice and wide, up like this. Nice little step down roller section here, super cool. We pulled up a bit of a hole here as well this morning already. Nice sweeping berm now. This section is so fun to ride. We're going to tidy this berm up as well today. There we got a little step up, a nice plateau on top. So you can land on top if you want to, or you can come right over the end. It's a bit steep at the moment, we might try and fix it. Here's Rudolph here, on the tools. Another step up. Nice little, that was always the plan there, was a nice little floater. It's quite cool. There's a lot of rocks there, we're going to tidy that up. This rotavator that we got is so nice. It's like a tiller, so it digs in and then the last machine on the back of it flattens it all out. Obviously this little section will get all graded. You can see it got beaten up by the weather, but from here and then we're busy tidying up, so by tomorrow it should be smooth and nicely all the way around. So let's go for a lap.